Oh, something in there.
You got the jag? So now we're ready to actually see if dandelions taste nice. I was so intrigued about this because I'm still learning that you can actually eat plants or make things from plants and not just, regular carrots, parsnips, potatoes, but dandelions and herbs and nettle, leaves you find in the forest. So me and my friends found this recipe online and we decided, let's try this. We have so many dandelions around us. Let's pick them and let's see what this dandelion juice tastes like. So it's really, really easy. As you saw, we picked, a few handfuls of dandelions and then we washed them thoroughly. There were bugs in the dandelions, not gonna lie, so we had to wash them quite a lot. And then we added lemon, so it's just one whole lemon cut in half, and we did 2 jars. So we squeezed the full lemon in both jars, added some honey and added some boiling water, and literally that was it. Here is us smelling the dandelion juice and it smelled so fresh and so lemony, so it was really, really nice. I was so excited to try this, and I'm still learning and absolutely loving the process of learning the powerful things that plants actually do for our health. And a few that is associated with dandelions is that they are rich in antioxidants, which is great for inflammation. Dandelion supports liver health because it's traditionally used to detoxify the liver. It supports digestion, so if you are struggling with bloating and just unable to digest certain foods. Blood sugar regulation, it's good for your skin. There are just so many health benefits to dandelion. So I guess if you were to drink this consistently, just like with any kind of supplement you take on a daily basis, you would probably feel some benefits. And I just love exploring nature right now and how nature can actually help us if we use it right and if we learn how to use it right too. And surprisingly, this tasted so fresh. It was almost like a lemonade, but obviously it wasn't fizzy, but it was like a fresh lemony hint of dandelion, almost tasted a bit like elderflower lemon. That was the flavour of this and it was so delicious. Honestly, we drank it over the next few days. We didn't make a huge batch, so now I'm thinking about making another batch so that I can just drink it daily, because especially in this warm weather it was so refreshing. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a beautiful day, week, month, life, and I'll see you in the next one.